In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Smartsheet. Let's walk through it from a blank slate so you can confidently build a clean timeline for your project. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, choose the option to start a new project, program, or process. This opens the creation experience where you can pick from curated options to get up and running quickly. You'll see a template gallery that can be filtered by role or department. If you work in company management, browse those templates to see pre-built structures designed for leadership and operations. They're great for inspiration because they come with useful columns and example tasks. For this walkthrough, though, we'll start from scratch so you understand each piece you're adding. When asked where to put your new items, choose a new workspace as the starting point. A dedicated workspace makes it easier to keep related sheets, dashboards, and reports organized as your project grows. Give your workspace and sheet clear, descriptive names so teammates can find them later. Next, select Gantt as your starting point. This sets up a sheet with a task table and an interactive timeline on the right. It's the best foundation for visualizing phases and durations. Now begin entering tasks in the primary column. Add one task per row using concise names like kickoff, design, or testing. Press enter to add more. Don't worry about exact dates yet. We'll refine timing in a moment. Use the assign to column to choose the owner for each task. Assigning owners early helps clarify accountability and makes alerts or automations more meaningful down the road. Update the status column as you plan. Pick values that reflect where work stands, such as not started, in progress, or complete. Consistent status updates make the Gantt chart more than a timeline. It becomes a live progress view. Set the start date for each task using the date picker. Then set the finish date. Be sure finish is equal to or later than start so durations calculate correctly. As soon as you do this, the Gantt timeline on the right will draw a bar that spans those dates. You can also fine-tune timing by dragging the ends of the Gantt bar directly on the timeline. Extending or shortening the bar adjusts the underlying dates automatically, which is handy when you're balancing workloads or responding to changes. That's it. Your Gantt chart is ready. Keep adding tasks, owners, statuses, and dates, and use the drag handles to refine timing as the project evolves.